everyone, Rebecca here with Digital Thinker. In this video, I want to share some of the common event types. For those who have been around for a while, you may know the database table for work orders is R5 events. But other actions, such as the creation of an asset or updating equipment structure, create R5 events records as well. An easy way to illustrate this is on the Equipment screen, Events tab. Let's start with JOB. A job represents a work order. You may quickly identify the work order type, such as predictive or breakdown, as well as the work order description. Another example of an event type is PPM. As you may have guessed, a PPM event represents a preventive maintenance work order. Now, some event types that you may not be familiar with include IN, AA, and PL. IN represents the creation of an asset. So here we can see that HVAC 04 was created on March 19, 2024. Above that, we see AA. This represents the creation of structure between an asset, position, or system. If you reference the description, you see that A for asset, so our HVAC 04 asset, was associated with P for position, room 111. Next, we have PL. PL indicates the asset was associated with a location. Once again, if we reference the description, we see that our asset was associated with location 41 West. Now, as you update an asset, the system will automatically create additional R5 events records. So if I scroll up, you'll see that I recently made some changes to our HVAC 04. First of all, I updated the department. This is represented with a MRC event type. And then you can see that I updated the structure for the HVAC 04 asset by removing it from room 111 and associating it with room 103. And I also updated the location. So I changed it from floor 1 West to floor 1 East. Let me show you just a couple more examples. If you have track by asset parts, such as this motor here, you may see event types for RECV. This event type represents assets received from the supplier. Another event type is STAT. Here we see a status change for this engine, and in this example, the engine was withdrawn. While this is not a comprehensive review of all event types, hopefully it's a starting point for identifying events in your system. If you are ever unsure, remember to reference the description as it gives context for the event. Comment below if you have any questions regarding event types. Thank you.